All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you're going to set up your assignment. This assignment will be due when you're turning in your outlines. So you're going to be using it to put your cited text evidence and your ideas regarding Steve's guilt or innocence. I'm going to be using James as the example, as Steve is the question that you are going to be responding to. So first things first, your assignment is supposed to be 12 font times New Roman. So I change it before anything. Start typing my heading, because remember, we always have a heading, but no one listens. Today's date, May 19th. Then it depends on what class I am. This time I'm in Miss Robinson's English 3, periods 7, 8. English 3, comma, period 7, 8. So you would be English 1, comma, periods 2, 3, or 5, 6, or 8, 9. There's no reason for to have anything else up there. And whatever the assignment title is, you're going to have to read the instructions for the assignment title. So once you put that in, you see it's not double spaced. Leave it just like that. I'm going to show you how to put in your table for the information about Steve. I'm fine if it's not lined up the same exact way, but you definitely need 2 columns. So you go to Insert, Table, just like that, and then you highlight how many boxes we need. I want 1 row for the name, 1 row for guilty or innocent, and then the start of the third one is going to be where the information would go. So hit that there. I'm going to merge these two. All I did was right click and this pops up. Click merge cells. And I'm going to center it because it just looks pretty. I'm doing James King. You guys are doing Steve Harmon. One side, he's innocent. The other side, he's guilty. I'm going to center these also because it just looks pretty. And here are the boxes where if you hit enter, the boxes go down. If you want to do separate boxes, 1 for each one, I'm fine. If you want to do 1 giant box, I'm good with that too. All you need to do is press tab once. It'll go to this column. Then tap a second time. It creates another set of boxes. But I'm just going to put everything in this because this is going to be my T-chart. So you're going to look at my example that I showed a picture of. On my left side would be my information showing that James is guilty. On my right side, it would be information showing that James is innocent. Once I put down my ideas, I can go back and include my cited text evidence to show those things. So just off the top of my head, something that shows that he's innocent. The medical examiner says the shooter was right-handed. James is left-handed. Yay, maybe he's not guilty. Left-handed. So in this column, I'm going to list everything that shows that James could be innocent. And then I'll hit enter and then put in my next one. In this column, I would show everything that makes James look guilty. So Richard Evans says, I'll say testifies because it sounds more important. Testifies that James was the shooter. And then I would go into the text to find my text evidence to prove these things. So what you're going to do is you're going to do me a favor. You're going to go back to your instructions. Make sure you get your assignment title, type it there, and change your document to whatever the assignment title is also. So this is going to be a project that we're working on. So you're transferring your notes as to whether Steve is guilty or innocent into a box just like this. If you have any questions or need to see this again, guess what? All you have to do is rewind it. Hope this helps. Send me a message if it doesn't.